Hello everyone, nice to see you again. I am RK. In our previous video, we saw about permissions. Now let's see how to change the permissions. Here I am displaying one file in long format. In previous video, we changed the permissions to dash to this file. To change permission, we have different methods like using numbers or adding and removing permission or specifying permission for user or group or others. First, let's use adding and removing permission method. Chmod. To add permission, you need to use plus, and I need the permission to read in a.txt file. Let's check the file again. Here you can see the read access is given to all three of them. If I need to remove the read permission and need to gain write permission, here you can see the read permission is removed and write permission is applied for only read and groups, because by default write permission is not given to others. And you can also give execute permission like this. Now let's use numbers to change permission. Let's clear the screen and I am listing the file again. Chmod. In our previous video, I said each permission has some value like read for 4, write for 2 and execute for 1. Now I am using numbers to assign permission. If I enter 777, each 7 is for each of them. Or if I can enter 444, here 4 is for read, so read permission is given to all of them. Or I can use 441, here 1 means execute, so owner and group has read permission and others has only execute permission. Now I am giving 444 a.txt. Let's list the file. Here you can see that everyone has read access. Now I can give 222. Everyone has write access and the read permission is removed. If I enter 6, the owner have read and write access and everyone has write access. Let's change to 44. Here you can see owner has read and write access, group and others has read access. And the next method, let's clear our screen. Like the same chmod, but here we need to specify if we are assigning the permission for user, group or others. Here I am giving you, so it's the owner equals read, write, execute a.txt. Here you can see the permission for owner is changed to read, write and execute and others are as the same. And I can also specify the permission for everyone as separate by user and group equals execute and others equals write. Here you can see that owner has read, write and group has execute and others has write access. If you doesn't give any values here, that area will be empty. Instead of assigning the permissions, you can also add permission or remove permission. Like first give every access for everyone. Here I am removing execute permission for others and write and execute permission for group and read permission for owner. Here we got the result. Like removing, you can also add, like I need to add write permission for this file to group. Here you can see that group has gained write access. Only the owner of the file and the super user have the permission to modify the permission of the file. If I change the ownership of the file to another user, the current user will not get any rights to change the permission of the file. Like change own root a.txt. Here, I am changing the ownership of the file a.txt to user root and also group root. We need sudo privileged. Here you can see that the ownership of the file changed to root. So if the current user try to change that, permission denied. And here you can see that here all the files in my current directory are owned by RK. I can use the recursive flag to change the ownership of the every file to root. Like instead of entering root:root, I can just use root if I only need to change the user owner of the file. The first root belongs to user and second root is group. Here you can see the owner of the file is changed to root. And that's it guys. If you have any doubts, ask me in the comment section. I will try to clear it. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.